Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I have actually moved my Jack Dempsey from the very back of my yard to a little bit more up to the front. They are placed in a position where they should get a little bit more shade, so the pond will not be all that dark whenever I'm filming and whenever I'm observing, right? Okay, so this video is not really about the whole idea of them moving. I did that a while back. This video is primarily to tell you about my outflow equipment. Now this is placed at the mouth of my pond on the inside, right? So it's placed on the mouth so as to prevent the fish from actually coming through this section, just like my smaller ponds, my 55-gallon barrel ponds. Okay, now on cleaning this pond, you know, I have to clean, I have to wash out, I have to reset the blocks and all that. On cleaning, I realized that I had a few fries, and usually when I get fries I get like probably about 30, 45, but this time around I count roughly 9. It is my assumption that as a result of how small they are, as you can see they are very small. That one in the corner over there, over to your left, that is one of the 2 that I actually placed in it a few weeks ago, if not months. And as soon as I threw it into the pond, an adult size, well, a larger size Jack Dempsey just came up and gulped it down, right? So practically I have 10 juvenile, or should I say baby, Jack Dempsey in this container. Usually I would have this full 40. So my assumption is that based on the large holes that were in this outflow equipment, fries were released. They actually went through this down into the yard around that side and they died. Now all of this is a lot of mud, so you wouldn't see it, but you know, you learn every day and you continue to learn. But I did not expect fries, and that's one of the reasons why I did not spend the time to actually look. Oh, this is one of the frogs that is causing me problem. So I did not spend the time to look. If I had spent the time to look, I would not have done this cleaning. Today is Labor Day. I wouldn't have done this cleaning today. I would have probably waited until I think that they have grown at least a little larger. Then I would have done what I need to do. Well, this is just a update. Thank you very much. I'm going to be putting my convicts into this pond and everything should be okay. My convict pond water is very green, thick green. I think that if I leave them in there too long, they will die. So as a result, I am going to be moving them. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.